All right, folks, in this video here, we're going to talk about page J588, and we're doing factorization for this equation, AB plus 2AC plus 3B squared plus 6BC minus 5A minus 13B plus 4C minus 10. It looks like a very complicated one, but I'm going to show you guys a couple of methods, right? And we can actually factorize and get the same answer. Doesn't matter if you're using A as a variable, B as a variable, or C as a variable. In this example here, we're going to use A as a variable and also B as a variable. The hint over here says that in exercise 1, arrange it in standard polynomial form with A as a variable, and we're going to do everything that has A in it, and then throw everything to the back. In exercise 2, we arrange it in standard polynomial form, but with B as a variable. Similarly, we would arrange everything that has B in it and then throw everything to the back. Okay, so with that being said, let's get started. For the first question, if we use A as a variable, let's find out everything that we have. It has A in it. We have AB, AC, we have 5A, and then everything else that we don't have in it, for example, the 3B squared plus 6BC, we will throw it to the back with everything we have over here. So then when we organize or arrange the equation, it becomes this way. So just so you guys know, this actually comes from the AB plus 2AC minus 5A. Exactly these three, right? And we're just taking out A. So then you will have equation that we have with A in it. So this is the equation over here. Now, at the back, we have 3B squared plus 6BC minus 13B plus 4C minus 10. So this alone can be factorized. How do we factorize it? Again, we can factorize based on the B squared, and then the B, and then the non-B term. Okay, in this case, we have the 3B squared, we have 6BC, and 13B, 4C, and 10. That's one term over here. So with that being said, nothing is changed in the beginning. But we can organize the middle part, which is the first degree coefficient of the B. In this case, we're taking out B, so we only have 6C and 13 left. So this is our target equations that we want to make up to. Then with the factor of 3, and with the factor of 2 times 2c minus 5. So you factorize this as two different terms, which is 2 times 2c minus 5. Then we're dealing with 3, 1. Let me just quickly change that. Okay, 3, 1. And we will have 2c minus 5 and 2. So let's cross multiply. This case, we have 6c minus 15. In this case, plus the 2. So then this is 6c minus 13. And you will see that the 6c minus 13 perfectly match it. So in order for us to factorize the later part over here, we will have 3b plus 2. That's the first term, which matches this. And then we'll have 1b plus 2c minus 5, which is the second term over here. So now we finished the factorization for this one. And then you notice that, hey, with that being said, I actually have the later part, b plus 2c minus 5, which is the same thing as the b plus 2c minus 5 over here. Okay, so then we can factorize this out. So we have b plus 2c minus 5 as a common term between this and this. And last but not least, we would group the a and 3b plus 2 together. So the answer will be b plus 2c minus 5. And then we have a plus 3b plus 2. Okay, so that's when you use A as a variable. Then when we have B as a variable, this is actually even simpler. So we're going to take out everything that has B in it. We have 3B squared. So this is the first one, 3B squared. And then everything else with B in it, we have 6BC, AB, and 13B. And then, like usual, we would group them together and take the B out. So then we'll have A plus 6C minus 13 and times B, right? That's exactly what we did if we group them together. Then all the non-B term, we have the 2AC, the 5A, the 4C, and 10, through it to the back, and we're gonna deal with that a little bit later. So next step, nothing changes for the first two terms because we already grouped them now up over there. We would factorize the A out of the 2AC and 5A, then we will have A times 2C minus 5, and then we will factorize the 2, which becomes 2 times 2c minus 5. Then with these two, we have the 2c minus 5 in common. Then we can factorize out the 2c minus 5, and then it becomes a plus 2 over here. Next one, we know that we have 3b squared. We have the middle part, which is a plus 6c minus 13. This is our target. So then what we're going to do is we're going to factorize 3 and 1. That's the factor for the b squared. And then we have the 2c minus 5 and a plus 2. So in this case, we're going to be thinking, which one should we go with? So this has a plus 6c minus 13 in it. So we need a larger number. So which means that most likely the 2c minus 5 is going to go here and a plus 2 is going to go here. Let's try it out. If I use 3 times that cross multiplication, I have 6c minus 15. And I have 1 times a plus 2 plus the a plus 2. So then I should be having a minus 13 plus 6c minus 13. So this one perfectly matches this guy. Okay, so we are good for the factorization. So for us to factorize this one, I will have 3b plus a plus 2, right? So 3b plus a plus 2, and then 1b plus 2c minus 5, which is 1b plus 2c minus 5. When we simplify them, they should be pretty similar, and then you will be getting 3b plus a plus 2, and then b plus 2c minus 5. Okay, so this should conclude page 58.